The shoe is both the bottom of the stapler cylinder and the platform that rests on the flooring, which aligns the stapler with the flooring. The base will wear over time and eventually might need to be replaced. It can be cracked if the gun is dropped. There are threaded holes in the base where shims can be attached. These threads can be stripped out. Replacing the shoe is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The shoe is secured to the gun with 4 screws. I'll start by removing those. Next, I'll transfer the shim plate from the old shoe over to the new one. Now I'll slide the shoe back over the driver guide and magazine and secure it with the screws.